This is the one of the well-preserved caravansaray. That means where the caravans used to come and rest. We won't be able to talk much inside. So the wood inside is specially made so that it keeps the heat out in winter and heat in it keeps the heat in winter and the heat out in summer, so it feels really cool inside when we go inside. And there are some shops that sell carpets and all inside. There's a central area which is now a coffee shop, but before it used to be a meeting place where people will come and buy and sell their things that they had bought from various parts of the world. And downstairs was all open area, and upstairs was rooms. And upstairs right now are offices. So whoever owned this has given it to the city to be used for as historical monument and all that. And the rent from the offices upstairs brings in the income to upkeep this place. So let's go have a look inside. This still is a working shop, and you can buy these items from here. And upstairs used to be the rooms, but now they are offices. And downstairs currently is a coffee shop.